What is up, you guys? I know it's been a long while I haven't done a sit-down video, but here's a sit-down video, and this sit-down video is gonna be about me making my room makeover for like my dream room, kind of. And it is time for me to do a room makeover. This is how. Okay, so I did this last minute late, very last minute, because I wasn't sure I was gonna do a room makeover because I thought I'm not gonna do one because I did not make some enough clips or like enough things to me build stuff. So like me building my desk or my desk is not the important thing because it's just one thing I was just building, but mostly half the stuff I order online is built. So like my meal is built and my bed was already built. I didn't have to buy a new bed kind of thing. It's just the only thing I was like super mad about because I did not film me building my desk. Give me one second. So I have probably enough footage for me to talk about my new room. Okay, so my new room is based on a new house that was on in East LA. And this new house was probably yield of like in the 2000s or the 90s, something like that. I feel like it's made from the 2000s because it looks kind of still new. And was a baby-proof house also because the owners before used to have the rentals before had baby-proof houses before. The house used to have baby-proof. And they still do a little bit, but we're gonna take out everything very soon. So yes, let me start with my room. So my room was in the garage because I have the biggest room in the house right now. Because I'm getting something very exciting very soon. Getting 3 exciting things. I don't know yet. So we're getting exciting. And I'm in the pace. It's like I'm getting like, anxious. I want to get this stuff already. So, yeah, so we're gonna put that to the side until that day comes, and I will for real record it for you guys until that day comes. But I ordered some stuff on Amazon, three things actually. I ordered 3 things on Amazon. That things I honestly do have to build. So enjoy that video when I was building my Photoshop by myself. It was hard work, so enjoy it. Okay, I was not gonna record this, but here we are recording again. So I got 2 things from Amazon today, and I'm gonna build it myself. So a little bit, I built my shoe rack right here, but I'm gonna build my new shoe rack. But I'm gonna get used to the shoe rack. Okay, got separate things. Got a new bag, which is nice. By the way, this is Alfonso. Nice. Hey. When I open it, I'm like, shit, I'm gonna record. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna record. It comes with this, and you're gonna build it. Gosh, oh, it comes with gloves. Okay, it comes with gloves. They don't know that. Okay. I have instructions. Oh yeah, with instructions. I was excited about the meal. This is the second thing I'm excited about. Is my desk show. I took that time. It took me like 2 YouTube videos to watch. So yeah. Usually two YouTube videos watch is like 20 minutes each. So like technically like 12 minutes basically. So it's this. It's heavy. Push me left. With the bottom top. And yes, I broke the chair. Well, I did not broke the chair. I just messed up the chair. Like the screws wasn't tightened. I was putting different screws. I wasn't reading a manual also. So I'm returning that chair. So this is why I'm having this chair right now with me, and I'm returning the chair I was building. So I'm getting my new chair on Thursday, which is very hectic and stuff. And the shoe rack was the easiest part ever because it was just easy. And my mirror, I just got a mirror too, and I wish I would call it that mirror when I was getting it, but I had piano lessons that day, so like I couldn't also record it, but I wanted to. Obviously, I had piano lessons too. So that stuff is done. Me building my shoe rack. Now I'm gonna give you guys the update of me building my desk chair. My desk chair. At first I didn't like it because it was so confusing. I was like, oh, what's going on? How do you fix this and how do you do this? I'm like, oh my gosh. My room got so nice. I've been watching Disney Plus. And I'm like, oh, I probably do like this actually. I may change my mind to get this show. And I'm also gonna get something else too, a shoe rack. So, and that's the reason why I did not do a filming video like this, because I wasn't sure what kind of Photoshop stuff I want to do. And honestly, I wish I did that. Oh, backstory, I did my LED lights by myself. If you guys want to watch that footage, here it is. Hey guys, I'm having to figure out how many. Welcome to my little room tour of 2025. Okay, so let me show you guys. I'm gonna give you guys like a little more detail. I only have 11 minutes to film my camera. I'm gonna stop talking. So I'm gonna talk over here. Obviously, this is my door area. If we walk all the way through here, this is my meal area. Give me 1 second to put this down. This is my meal. This is for me to take pictures. I will put a screenshot right here when I always take pictures and stuff like that. So this is where I will be posting my Instagram pictures over here a lot of time. Desk, and this is where I will edit every single time. And this is like an up and down desk. I can't do it right now because something's under my desk. And I got this desk chair from Amazon. I will link everything down below, and have a heater blanket. This is from Costco. If I can find a heater blanket link, I will obviously send it to you guys down below. I'm really messy because I wasn't sure if I'm gonna film a room tour or not, but this is my TV. I'm watching also Alicia movie. I got these two paintings from Ross, and this is from my new area walls. And I got this shoe rack. I will also link that down below. Also, these new clothes are from Ross. Even this is from Ross. This is from H&M. But these clothes, my phone is right there. This is my gym set over here with all my workout stuff. Over here is my area for the covering the clothing. Like that. I have to cover that. And I will probably use this for filming now, for like getting ready my videos and stuff like that. So that was it. I know this is a short little room tour. But I hope you guys enjoyed this room makeover video. I love when I was like I put the video in detail because I wanna make sure you guys are having a great quality YouTube video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what kind of other videos and vlogs we do, and I will see you guys in the next YouTube video.